Okay, it's a buck. It was 4 doe. Yeah, it's still about 1, 2, 3, 4 does right in my front, finding themselves something to graze on. One looking across the street got her butt to me. The buck is looking up. He's eating again now. Yeah. Oh, you look so pretty from a distance. What is that? A bird? Is that a bird? Making that noise? Yeah, this is a good spot. It's my first time seeing any deer, and right in front of our place. Of course, I ain't been here, I guess. Ain't been still long enough. During the time of day when they're out, they munching. What the heck y'all finding to eat so good? Under that, what tree is that? An oak tree? I don't know, but they got a good spot, don't they? What happened when I turn this sideways? Oh, it won't. Okay, it won't. No, it won't. Oh well. Adios for now, y'all. Over now. I need to finish my fences up here. I got this side finished. It's all finished. Finished right here. This side is finished. And I'm going to finish that side. Making sure she can't squeeze out. That side is the main thing is over here where she can get out. I don't want her out over there. And that's a temporary. I want to keep that temporary. Right here. This is temporary. I go in and out, so it's not real permanent. But it keeps her in. I got to fix where she can't just squeeze out over there. She had squeezed out over here, man. I had left her, and Lord have mercy. I took my old car and got my rental. I took my old car to Ingram. And met me, brought me home. And all that time, or I don't know how long, baby had managed to get out, but she found a way. She was out. When I got back, I noticed she wasn't up here because I had left the little crate open where she could be in and out. I thought I had secured this area. Nope, she had squeezed herself out in this area here. She was able to squeeze through. And I'm like, oh Lord. And we pulling up in Ann's car, not her pickup, but her car. And I'm looking like, oh God, where's baby? Where's baby? I'm looking over this way. She ain't here. She ain't coming to the fence to bark or nothing. Baby. And we pulled up and stopped, and here she come to the side of the car, and I opened the car. And picked her up. What the heck you doing out here? Lord have mercy. Her belly was cool, so she had found a spot to lay down, apparently. In the cool. I'm so glad she didn't get attacked by any of the neighbors' big ass dogs, excuse my expression, but they got some big dogs. I've seen 2 or 3 of them. There's 2 deer that saw 2 of them wandered off over that way. Still 3 here in my front area. The buck, he's still there. A young buck. Yeah, it's a young buck. He's still there. And 2 little does. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. My quick in, peek in, whatever. While I'm out here working at the new place that I have had a chance to break in a bit and pray over and anoint with oil and all that good stuff. Oh, I went and reinforced my patio umbrella over here on the other deck. It's reinforced, so it's in a position where and even when we have the high winds, I've got it reinforced down with cable, so it should be okay. Yeah, it can blow, but it should be okay. And I'm gonna try to sit out there this evening and turn on the solar lights and see how that's working. Hopefully, it's gonna work good. But boy, I'm gonna have to get some plenty of mosquito. I know this deck here they love this big deck with the covering over it. They've been eating me up. Over there, I'm not so sure yet. Like when the sun goes down, I have a feeling if it's cool enough, damp enough. Oh